Hi, my name is Nick Mariano. I'm the U.S. manager for the technical service team in the wireless division. We're here looking at some Wisycom gear, Wisycom wireless and RF distribution. Just going to touch on what's new. We have a new belt pack receiver for IEM and IFB, the MPR60. That was released earlier this year, but we more recently released a mode called 3 IFB mode, which allows you to put 3 mono channels of audio onto a single carrier frequency. It's really important these days when you need to cram a lot of communications channels into a very limited amount of spectrum. With this and our linear technology combined, you can get 45 mono audio channels into 6 megahertz, which surpasses even some of the wideband specs from our competitors in that technology. So that is now out. It's native to the belt pack receivers and available on the MTK982 transmitters with a firmware upgrade. So that's on this end.